Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to demonstrate how to enroll and how to install the STASMS software on your Windows computer before you get to do your work as an administrator. So now we're going to start. So firstly we need to have a setup file. Have the setup file of the STASMS setup file. You need to make sure you have in contact or you get in touch or you contact the SolveTech community for your school to be registered. Then they are going to send you a set of package for your email or your account. Then you can now have that done. Now here in this case I have mine already on my PC. I was just going to dive to the here and I have this setup here, some setup page. Alright, now I will just go English language for my case here. Alright, so okay, this will unpack the file. So here now we're trying to let you know that this button when you click that it's going to like unzip or untap the packages to be ready to extract, So I'm going to click here and it will have welcome to STASMS folder. You will be prompted to select a folder where your application will be installed. Okay, yeah, take me next. Alright, now you go ahead by making sure you set the license terms and policy. Gonna read them if you want to, and all you need to do is just accept that. And I want this stuff to be installed. I'm like, okay, yes, go ahead and install. But in case you don't want it to be installed in this directory, you can simply go and look for the directory where you want yours to be installed and click a button OK, and it's gonna work. So in this case I'm gonna click next here. Alright, so
we have this software installed on my PC. So here I'll have a message here like there is already a file with this name, like a destination folder. So we want to like overwrite it or we're going to skip it. So in this case I'm going to overwrite that. Okay, now operation successful STASMS is setting installed on your computer. Okay, close here, it's going to launch automatically. STASMS file extracted successfully. Alright, so I will have it here. You see it here on my PC. I have it here stamped. So I'm just gonna double click here, and now my application is running perfectly. I'm gonna show you how the workflow is of STASMS. So here is the landing page of the software, and you have some you have all the menus here and how you want it, like for the transitions and any other thing. Alright, so I will give me a dashboard to put my login, and you have these logins once your account has been created before you have the self package. Remember I said before you get it set up, you contact the SolveTech community, and once that happens, they're going to create your account and have an ID, and it'll give you your package, your email, or in your account you can download your self file, and with the respective users instead of project. Here is some for Windows Desktop.
alright, so here is our dashboard. So advanced STASMS dashboard. I have to the pre interface user interface here, and when you get your dashboard, it's gonna tell you the date. In my case, you'll have the 27th of July 2024 at 12:31 p.m. Canon time or on Saturday. IP address, your browser, and your permission. I'm working on the SuperDo permission STASMS permission. So yes, how you control your school, you monitor your school whenever, and you can see here we have no student here in school, no student registered, and total no balance, nothing. And you notice that today was a Thursday. I can log in for this demo with until this Friday. It gives you a clear information on how your software operates and how you interact with your software, movement in and out, and probably every other user as well. And when you're using your SMS for choose high school, like school, a lot of financial resources they kind of have their module activated, so they can use these to manage notification to parents and also cost sharing and school fees notifications. So in this case here we have our login activities. Each and every log is to the software, the time, the activity they are carrying out is going to display here. So it's very, very transparent and secure for every data in the software. In this case here, you have your support. I just logged in now, and you notice my IP address, and 2 minutes ago, and it's still authenticating, and I have our activities. So on the side here, we have some pretty good menu here. We have the student dashboard, which we're just talking about here. We have the student model here. We have a student list. We can add student attendance. I will go along with this one in the next video, so we don't get so complex. And we have the batch here. We have the program. We have the exam. When it's about to enroll, you read an exam, and you can add result and all of that. So notifications, and we can get to know your users, people who are currently active in the software. You have a user dashboard, and much more. Okay, one step back, and all right. So we also have the report directory, where you can manage payment report, expense report, income report, profit report, and attendance report. And you can buy and delete SMS how you want. First thing, when you get the software installed on your computer, after having the entire access to the dashboard, you have to customize your color. You might not want this color of mine, and you have a year. You click, and you might want to use this case that blue. Okay, and you see it changes, and that's pretty good. I mean, yeah, you can design that the way you want for your case, and working or aligning that with your school's colors. I mean, that works well. So here you have to come and customize your account to your school. What the name of your school, like institute name, this name, the institute, the short like this short name. Like in my case of SolveTech Academy, I can put ST here. And we have address where your Cameroon, we have the phone number and your email, and you can put your logo, and this logo you're going to put here there very important, because it will be used for documentation, and it will be used for receipt and for ID card. For instance, if I say I want to, we haven't added any income here, so but we just see what software is going to generate for us. If we want to get for instance, profit report as a proprietor having this account. Alright, so I would say, for instance, get me report or transactions from the 1st to today date, and I click view report. I will see the software assigns you an input template, code form, and a sheet, where all we need to do is single click up a button. You just click that, and you have your stuff printed. I mean, you have different ways you might want it to be printed. You can add color, like I go to more settings here. I can add the background, you see, and see the design. So this one guides your document. It verifies your document to be unique amongst other schools and amongst administrators, so you can minimize fraud and some other things. Here in this case, you might want to print that. You connect your printer, or you might just print as PDF and you forward to the respective departments. Okay, yeah, we have saying that, and authority say your total expense is not adding anything here, total income nothing here, so we have nothing. So this is how you get to know your transactions, everything to do with your software in your school. And we have a quick live chat here. You might want to communicate with administrator, like you want to see what I'm discussing here, and much more. And a quick student access, in case there's something at hand, something urgent, or parents come for a free try. All you need to do, you can easily add student here, student dashboard, where you can add the name and the number. It will automatically produce a student ID card. And on the other hand, you can find student, or you can receive fee payment. To receive fee payment, all you need to have student ID. Well, that was generated by the software. And once you do that, that's okay. That's okay. Now it's going to get to the student dashboard, and you can do the necessary changes. We're going to see that in the next demo, respectively how to create program, how to create class, how to create subject, and how to assign them, and set the fee payment and proceed. So stay tuned, guys. So let's see how that works. Thank you, and have a nice day.